Heart Evangelista, nag-react, Pia Wurtzbach kinilalang Global Fashion Influencer of the Year.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Feeling honored at grateful si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach sa natanggap na parangal sa Dubai. Ang ika-4 na edisyon ng Emmy Gala Fashion at Beauty Awards ay ginanap noong April 27 at 28 sa Dubai. Tinanggap ng beauty queen ang trophy mula sa Emmy Gala Awards. Suot ni Pia ang couture creation na likha ng Dubai-based Filipino designer na si Michael Cinco. Sa kanyang speech, binahagi ni Pia ang kahalagahan ng paggamit ng platform para makatulong sa community. It's amazing to be glammed up, to be in the industry of beauty and fashion, but I want to remind other people that look up to me to put purpose in the things that you do, saad ni Pia. It's great to be here receiving an award, but it's also great to have an impact and purpose, aniya. So find your passion, find the advocacy that you really care about, because this platform that we all have is truly powerful, and sometimes we take that for granted. Even though it's nice to be on the red carpet, it's also nice to really give back. So that's what I want to remind everybody. Nagpost naman si Pia, back in Manila but can't help sharing this night. Deeply honored to receive the Global Fashion Influencer of the Year award at Temigala. Thank you to everyone who has supported me on this journey. Mensahe pa niya, let's keep inspiring and empowering each other through style and creativity. So excited for what else is in store. Dahil dito, humingay na naman ang bangayan ng mga supporters ni na Heart Evangelista at Pia Wurtzbach dahil sa natanggap na award ng Miss Universe 2015 bilang Global Fashion Influencer of the Year mula sa The Emmy Gala Awards. Para sa mga fans ni Heart, mas dapat na siya ang nabigyan ng nasabing award. Kaya nang mag-post si Pia ng pasasalamat, meron agad nag-react. Bago mabigyan ng nasabing award, unang nasecure ni Pia ang ika-6 na pwesto ng Most Visible Influencers mula sa listahan ng influencer marketing platform na Lefty.io, kahit first time niya maging attendee ng Milan at Paris Fashion Weeks last year. Ito ay matapos kumita ang beauty queen ng 2.95 million United States dollars o 166.9 million pesos in media value dahil sa kanyang social media presence sa Fashion Week events. Samantala, nahinga ng mabilis na reaksyon ang kapuso star at fashion socialite na si Heart Evangelista tungkol sa award na natanggap ni Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach. Natanong si Heart kung ano ang masasabi niya tungkol dito, ayon sa ulat ng isang pahayagan. I'm okay for as long as I have food on my table, thank you Lord. Mabilis lang na say ni Heart. Well, pilit kasing pinagbabangga ng kani-kanilang fans ang dalawang showbiz personalities pagdating sa fashion scene sa ibang bansa. Hindi ba't na-issue pa nga ang tila parinagan daw nilang dalawa sa social media?